Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating our own looks inside of Lightpanel. So we talked earlier about using the looks that come with Lightpanel, but you can also create your own looks that actually learns from your editing. So to do that, we're going to go into this look section here. We're going to use this little menu at the top right, and we're going to click on Add Look. So it's going to say, learn your editing style so Lightpanel can mimic it. So let's just name this My Wedding Style. Now, once you've named it, you can choose to either learn from the current folder, the entire catalog that you have, or the selected photos. I'm just going to have it learn from my current folder there so that it can mimic the style that I've been using within that particular job. I'll choose Learn. And it may take a second to dive in and learn your particular style. But once it's done, it's created a new look there for you, and it's going to take the photo that you have selected and put it as the thumbnail. So you can say I have My Wedding Style there. But you can always switch the thumbnail by just going into a different photograph. Let's say, for example, we want it to be this nice outdoor photograph with those palm trees. We can just right-click and choose Set Icon. And it will update it to the image that we have selected there. So we can then go in and apply the My Wedding Style to the image that you're adjusting there. And that's how easy it is to create your own unique looks that will actually learn from the style that you've created.